Welcome to my project. Hey everyone, I'm Joey Troxel from DIY Project Guys, and today I'm going to show you how to install the original dryer dock. We'll take you through all the steps, show you the tools you'll need, and we'll show you how we did it. Let's get started.
For today's materials list, we're going to need the dryer dock quick release vent. We got ours on Amazon. I'll have a link below where you can purchase your own. If you don't already have a duct in the wall, you're going to need a 4-inch wide round duct with louver or cover. Again, if you don't already have this, you're going to need a 4-inch by 6 to 8 feet flex aluminum foil duct with clamps. If you're having to drill a hole through the wall to put this in, then you're going to need a 4-inch circular hole drill bit. To install this product, we need a pair of tin snips, some spray foam, and some caulking just to clean it up at the end. It's time to start working. We just moved our laundry upstairs, so we're starting from scratch. The washer and dryer will be stackable and in the corner here, and right about here is where we need to install this vent. Time to break out the tools. You can see here I've got my 4-inch drill bit, and I'm just drilling a hole right through the house. If you're not moving your laundry, you're not going to need to do this part. Next, I'm testing that my new vent will fit through the hole. I don't want to be on a ladder reaching this thing in above me and realize the hole's too small. So I'm checking it right here. And it fits right in. It's looking good. Next, I climbed up on the ladder and installed this vent from the outside. You can see here it's ready to go. Now I'm grabbing some of this spray foam, and Tim's just going to spray foam around this opening to make sure it's fully sealed. This foam takes up the space and starts expanding to cover all the little nooks and crannies. Once that dries, we can put back our insulation and we can get ready to move forward. If you're just putting this on an existing dryer and vent, this is where you'll pick it up. The part coming out of the wall needs to be no more than 3/4 of an inch. Then we're going to take a tin snips and just snip it right to the wall all the way around. We want to create these little fingers because we're going to bend them onto the wall to keep it secured. You can see Tim's just going around one at a time and just making some little snipped fingers every so often until he's went completely around. Here we are later on after the wall's been finished, and Tim's just bending them down against the wall, and this will secure the dryer vent to the wall, plus it'll allow the dryer dock product to slide right in the middle. You just want to be careful, use the end of a screwdriver or something. Those little pieces of tin are razor sharp and they will cut you. So try to keep your hands away from them. And here we are, it's looking good. How about that drywall work? Next, we're going to take the base part of the dryer dock, and this is the part with the little connector sticking out, and we're going to push it in by applying alternating pressure left and right until it's in. And you can see here, it's in. It's really tight. We're going to put screws in those screw holes, but this thing is in and it's not coming out. If you're worried about it not staying in, you might want to mark right there where those holes are for anchors and drill some anchor holes first. We didn't need to do that. Next, we're showing you how the part that connects to the dryer is going to connect. It's got these openings where the little brackets are, and you just line them up and you push it down and turn it, and it's locked in place. The factory surfaces are smooth, so they meet perfectly. Now we've got our 4-inch dryer flexible aluminum duct hose, and I'm just going to show you here. You put it right on the end of the dryer duct vent piece there, and once it's on securely, you take your clamp and you clamp it all the way on the end to make sure that thing stays on. It should be really on there nice. It should not come off. I'm giving it a little tug here to make sure there's no problems. I don't want my dryer dust going all over my loft area. And then you just clip it on and turn it, and it's secure. That's all you do. Of course, this will be connected to the dryer first, but that's how it works. All right, let's go look at the finished product. Here we are with the vent coming off the dryer, and it's connected right to the dryer dock. It looks amazing. Notice I used some caulking all around the end of that to make sure that there's no leak of air. And you can disconnect it if you need to, or reconnect it. I don't know why you need to, maybe to clean it out if it gets clogged. All right, what did you think? Pretty simple, huh? That's our video for today. Please hit that like button, show us some love. Click on that subscribe button, click that bell, you get notified every time we have a new video, and leave a comment below. Is this something you've tried? Have you used a different product? Have you used this product? What are your thoughts? All right, if you want something done right, do it yourself.